guys, Brian-FanofFans17 here, and if I don't sound like myself, I apologize. I kind of came down with a bit of a stomach bug. But I'm here with Alex and Brandon. And
Hello.
Testing
Alex. Today we're testing this Emerson Blenberfan. I am with Brian-FanofFans17 and Brandon E. Johnson.
Yeah.
So this fan, you got it from the group trip from Louis Wheaton.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep, I'm with Brian
it was-
FanofFans and
it
Alex the
was
Fan
like
Man.
5 years ago.
Okay.
Yep.
I think it's the first time we're testing it.
Yeah, unfortunately, the bearings are really stiff on it,
So it didn't come with blades, I heard.
No, I actually used the blades for FASCO Parlorfan. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Not
yeah.
sure what year
It
it's
never
from.
came with blades.
So I'll show you high speed. No, bearings are really stiff, so it speeds up. High speed isn't that fast. Then it wobbles a little bit. The blade is like off balance right there. I'm not sure if that case is original.
Yeah.
I mean, it still looks good.
Yeah. I can feel the breeze from here.
It was more like a residential.
Yeah, a fan from today.
Just trying to feel the air flow.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels so good outside.
Yep.
I left them running for a while, but the motor got super hot. I'm not sure if it's a good idea. I should just leave it running without plates. It will stop.
We still do spin now.
Yeah.
So
Well, basically, like, this is basically no speed, or just basically like shut itself off.
so is this spin down?
Basically,
It basically will be because it stalls out.
Stalls out.
Oh, so this is supposed to be low?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, and then
And it moves.
that's off. Oh well. And I guess that's it.
Yep, that's it. So
That's it.
You guys enjoyed
Hope
the
you guys
video.
enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.